Good morning everyone, it's Magazine Fjord and today I'm making a video of Skoda Octavia 2022 diesel 2.0 liter, and that is 110 kilowatts. And this is the most sold car type in the world, and this is how it looks in the front. Those are LEDs and I'll be showing you soon. So this is a front assist lines. This is Partronics, and then we have this traffic sign reader and other stuff, and it's not clean because I'm like living in urban area. So, and this is the car that is the best for this urban area because it's the most practical, and this is how it looks from the behind. So that's the view, and it's quite cold here. It's still March 17, 2023. So let's open the car. As you can see, those mirrors, as we come close by, they are starting to open. So this is how it looks like, and we'll be getting from the side. And let's turn this engine on. So this is the diesel, I will show you. This is the bars of the car. AdBlue is needed, and as you can see, it's quite cold. This is the tires, the measurement, and it's winter tires, as you can see. So maybe first of all I will show you also, by the way, you can also open or close it just by the second. I'm not sure, maybe because it's closed, like, okay. So let's get inside. So as you can see, the luggage compartment is extremely big. We have some compartment for the tools, and we have this official one, and this car is bought directly from the official partner of Skoda Octavia in Cholet. You can see. So let's then see the back of this car, how it looks like. Simple this. Okay, the airbags. And okay, so let's get into the front and turn the engine on. And I'll also show you. Wow, it's kind of a little bit cold. Whew. What do we have here? So the engine is starting -2 degrees. It's probably even less because yeah. So we have here also the touch screen. Okay, so SmartLink, Android Auto, Apple Auto, and we have navigation, we have assist control. So this is line, this is front assist, this is driving by kilometers, sign reader, and then rest. So this is the assistances, and with the latest update we have, so as you can see, there's 60 kilometers now. Okay, and let's see, this is, so it's frozen, so we turn the climate and then turn this is for windshield of the front, and it will be soon getting close. So now we have consumption 1.5, and now I turned this wheel will be heating, so I turned it on, and it will be feeling quite fast. So other navigations, we have this manual gear changing. So let's maybe turn this wheel off, or it doesn't matter. So we have these seats warmers, and we can turn it on and off, and just simply by clicking we go back to menu. We can and we can also scroll like this, probably when open, so I can do it. And also the lights, you don't need to we can just basically, you can see. So now as you can see, the windshield is working well, and let's get outside and see how it's going to. So this is how it looks like. Also the gearbox is like this, so we have neutral, drive, sport mode and rear, and there are some, sorry for that, and also we can charge the phone here also by using the wire. And so let's go like neutral, rear, so we go back. I've put the back, so but it's working. So also this one, and as you can see we have these lights, but now it's a day, so they are barely seen, and of course I can change that. Background lighting, so brightness of everywhere, like this and this, we change everything. But since it's, it's yeah, but it's barely seen. You can see the red lighting, you can see it here. So okay, so let's open the trunk and let's see how it's going. So you can see the windshield is completely done. It's, it's working very well. So this is the diesel, as I mentioned. We have this here, Volkswagen filters. It's working quite quietly. Maybe some information for you guys to drop. And then the flashlights. So that's it. It's working really quiet. It's fine. And the flashlights, I'm not sure if I turned them on. It's on automatic, so let's turn it on. Okay, it shows. Okay, and the sign of the, so they are working, so don't worry, it's everything fine. So this is how it looks like. Let's just double check this, and we'll soon be driving a little bit. So auto, then dipped. Let's see it. So yeah, now these are working and those are LED. As you can see, it's dirty. So guys, let's maybe take a short ride and I show you. And this also needs to be clean to read. And also I'll show you guys how, also this is where you store some things. And okay guys, so let's turn the vehicle so we can see some footprints. You can see when the sunshine is working. So okay, so mirrors, okay, that's what I needed. Tires, you can see if everything's set on okay. Let's see the status. Okay, everything fine, service no needed. Data, so we can see since the start of engine, but it's not correct. So this is long term, 5.1 liter on 100 kilometers, which is really well. And I'm doing on 45 liters around 950 kilometers. So since refueling, we've driven 413 kilometers and 540 is left. So yeah, almost like 1000 kilometers to be done. And so as you can see, it's quite impressive, and the car is really doing well. The rear ones also need to be turned on because it's like, so basically that's it. And let's start driving a little bit. Okay, so let's go guys. Okay, so let's drive. We can, now it's working. And also when you need to put a little bit more on pedal because it will not start, because it's like security. Okay, and this is how a car looks from the side. Very beautiful looking. Those And as I mentioned, this is opened automatically. So let's drive. So drive mode, and we are going. Since start. So 10 minutes we're running the engine. We will show not correct information. I'll show you guys very interesting thing here. Okay, and all the seatables need to work. So here, when we change the mode, we can also edit. So no car ahead and the lanes as shown, but I usually turn it off. So you can simply click here and then just go back, and that's it. Or just so this is how it looks like, the driving in urban area. We just started, and so what I want to show you guys, the very most interesting thing is this how to say, coasting. This is very interesting thing. It runs on neutral, and it's really neutral, and you can see I'm not clicking anything, and it's just running. So interesting part here is that whenever you want to go on the neutral mode, you need to double tap quickly the pedal button, and it's just coasting. You can see it. So yeah, that works really perfect, really nice. So basically this car is very economical. You can see the starts, you can see the data, and also we can turn off the rear, and so it's working really nice, and the car is stable, it's silent, and it's very comfortable. And so as you might heard, I just double clicked on the gas pedal, and it's just coasting. It takes basically really zero, like almost 0 liters. So that's it. And so this is the temperature. I like to see oil temperature and coolant temperature all the time. That's important for me in terms of if something goes wrong, I can see that it goes above, and maybe something is wrong, and etc. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you for the next time. I will be showing more on the driving test and the fuel consumption test, and as you can see, it's already dropping. So you can see the long term, so 5.0 since refueling, and this car has already driven 10,419 kilometers. So I've done it in 7 months. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.